Hey guys, so I'm Belle. Just a disclaimer, this slime video is meant to be funny, and if you want real slime ASMR, go to my other videos, because I'm going to be doing weird with slime ASMR. So if you want actual slime ASMR, just check out a couple of my other videos. Link will be in the description down below. Let's get started. So guys, I'm going to be doing slime ASMR with one hand. And if you want real slime ASMR, I think I said this in the intro, but you can check out my other videos, which link will be in the description or will be in the iCard right there. And subscribe right there, and like right there, and turn on notifications right there. So anyway, let's get started. So, here's my one hand going behind my back. Oh, there's slime on it. Okay. So, I'm going to be doing slime ASMR with one hand, which people have done this. So, yeah, so let's get started. So, first, let's try to put in a swirl. Ooh, that kind of works. Sorry guys, I had to fix the table. But, ooh! Now, poke and crunch. It's kind of hard to hold it over. I want to use my other hand so bad. So guys, I'm going to switch hands because I'm doing it with my left hand. So, you know what, let's just, yeah, I'm going to switch hands. But that's it, no more switching hands. Not making poking noises. There we go. Sorry if I'm talking a lot because this is really hard. Let's try to put it in a swirl again, which was a fail. And sorry if I'm poking it weird, it's just it's really hard to do with one hand. This would be my other hand doing it on the other side, but I can't really. And the table's good. But that was my slime ASMR, so I hope you enjoyed. Again, if you want to see some real slime ASMR, check out my other videos. So, yeah. So, bye guys, here's some slime ASMR, and then the video will end.